What is going on, guys? Welcome to another training. Today I'm going to explain you how I started to get affiliate marketing commissions. So I have been doing this business model for a while, and I'm an affiliate marketer and I promote other people's products. And when someone buys from my affiliate links, I make commissions, I make money online. Now let me show you quickly some of my results, because this is a product that I promote. I promote Freedom Accelerator. This is a high ticket product, and right now I have sent to this company, check this out, 599 clicks, 142 referrals. I have 22 customers, and right now I have $813 in unpaid earnings. So this company pays 40% commissions, and if I scroll down, these are my affiliate links. And if someone buys the product from any of these links, the default link, the Freedom Accelerator, the checkout page, the video sales letter, the opt-in page, or the free 7-part course, I can make a commission. And this whole thing is my dashboard for this product. And if I go to payouts, so you can see that these are you can see my latest payments, and I'm making commissions every single month, $454, $128, $135, and so on and so forth. I'm making these commissions, and I'm going to tell you the strategy that I'm using to make these commissions with this product. And basically you can use this strategy to promote any product, but it's important to learn the skills. Now let me show you quickly the things that I'm doing. So let's say that this is my affiliate link. This is my affiliate, this is my main core offer. So basically what I'm doing is that I went to the marketplace and find a main core offer, and my main core offer is Freedom Accelerator, which is a high ticket product for the make money online niche. So specifically, this training teaches people how to start a high ticket affiliate marketing business. And then I choose supporting offers to help people to go from a point A to a point B. And I'm doing that by promoting my main core offer and supporting offers. Now, let's say that this is my affiliate link, right? So this is my main core offer, and I'm going to write here my affiliate link, my main core offer. And what I'm doing is that I build a capture page before sending people to my main core offer. And here I have all my traffic strategies, and I'm using free traffic strategies and paid traffic strategies as well. So I'm using the two types, and I'm sending traffic to this capture page in which I'm collecting emails. And then I redirect those people, all the people who opting in their information, I redirect those people to my affiliate offer. And if they buy, I can make a commission in the front end. But not all the people are going to buy at the first interaction. That is why it's important to capture this email. Why? Because I built an email sequence, and when someone subscribes to this database, when someone subscribes, those people are going to start receiving emails automatically. For example, email number 1, email number 2, email number 3, and so on and so forth. I have this email sequence, and inside of the emails I have put my affiliate link for the main core offer, and also I have supporting offer number 1, supporting offer number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. And I'm promoting multiple affiliate products. I'm promoting multiple high ticket products and software. Those are my main supporting offers. And that is how I'm making commissions online, because I'm collecting leads, I'm collecting emails from the prospects that are interested in the products that I'm promoting. And if anybody click the links inside of the emails, and if they buy, I can make that commission in the back end. So I'm making commissions in the front end, which is this part, when I send traffic to the capture page, and then when people opting in their information and they go to my main core offer. So I help people right here, and also I'm making commissions. So this is the front end, and I'm making commissions in the back end, which is my email sequence, the back end. Now let me show you one of my funnels, my sales funnels that I'm using to collect emails. And the name of this funnel is the 7 steps to becoming a super affiliate. So I'm giving away a free ebook in exchange for email. Why? Because people are not going to put their information just because I tell them, hey, write your best information and I'm going to send you updates or I'm going to send you offers. No, you need to give something away in exchange for that email. And for this funnel, I'm giving away a free ebook. So this is my capture page. This thing over there, this is my capture page. And this funnel has 3 steps. Step number 1, step number 2, and step number 3. So check this out. This is my capture page, and one of the most important things of the capture page is the title. So it needs to be a good title that like hook people. And so check this out. So when someone lands on this page, they will read finally the 7 proven steps to building a 6-figure online business from scratch without having a product, experience, or dealing with clients. They will read this information. Do you want to say goodbye to your soul-sucking 9-to-5 job, create a passive income machine from home? They will see a picture of the ebook. They will see as well my own photo because I'm an affiliate marketer and I'm building my own personal brand, and I want to people know that I'm promoting this product. So when people click this button for ebook download, I can collect the name, the email, and the phone number. So when people write their information inside of this pop-up, then all the people who opt in their information, they will get access to the second step. And inside of this page, I tell people that, hey, please check your email because I'm going to send the ebook through email. And when they click this button, as you can see here it says, yes, show me how. They will go to the bridge page, and the bridge page is important because I'm using this bridge page like this is like bridging the gap between the company and the buyer, and I'm presenting myself that I'm an affiliate marketer. I talk about some of the things that I struggled when I started with high ticket affiliate marketing and what are the things that I did to make commissions with this business model. And I talk about in that video. So as you can see on the screen. And when people click this button, get started today, people will be clicking exactly this link, the 72-hour challenge opt-in page. And it's going to open this page. Check this out. So let me click here. So here I clicked on this 72-hour challenge opt-in page, but I'm going to click as well on this button. So you will see that it's the same page. Only $9 for the 72-hour challenge. Only $9 for the 72-hour challenge. And so when people see this page, they will read all the information about the challenge that I'm promoting. Clone a 7-figure business and start promoting 15 plus products in just minutes using this never before seen unfair software. So we have the video sales letters. Jonathan created this product, and when people click on these buttons and they put their information here, so this is the opt-in page of the creator. So this is my affiliate link, and if someone write their information inside of that page, I'm going to send another referral to Jonathan Montoya. And if that person buys in the future, and it doesn't matter if the person buys in the next 3 months, 4 months, or 6 months, I can make that commission. Now, Because not all the people are going to buy at the first interaction. That is why it's important to capture leads or emails. And I'm using this software, the name is GetResponse, and I have right now 1,401 leads. And I'm growing my list every single day, guys. So check this out. I have today one new contact added to my list. This is one of my KPIs that I'm like monitoring every single day, because the more leads we collect, we're going to have a high probability to make a sale. So I'm going to click on tools and then on automation, because I want to show you my email sequence, because I was telling you that this part, so this is the front end, right? All these three steps, step number 1, step number 2, and step number 3. This is the front end. And now I'm going to show you the back end. So check this out. This is my Free Accelerator email sequence. So all the people who opt in their information, they will start receiving these emails. So they will receive the free welcome message and then my own story. So they will receive these 2 emails. Then GetResponse is going to wait for 1 day to send the email number 2. Then the software is going to wait for another day to send the email number 3. And the first emails are my free trainings. So this email, this one, and this one, up to the email number 4, these are my free trainings. Even if people don't buy from me any products, they are going to get value, because I recorded this training in which I'm talking about some important things they need to know if they want to succeed with affiliate marketing. And then GetResponse is going to wait for another day to start sending all these emails, and by utilizing these emails, I started to promote my YouTube channel, because I'm growing my YouTube channel. I'm giving value to my email list by sending them my YouTube videos. Then I start to promote my supporting offers. So this is one of my supporting offers. This is a software. Then I start to promote the challenge. Then this is another supporting offers, and as you can see, I have here emails, and this one is a value email. So this email, it doesn't have any links, and that is important, guys. So not just send email, it's important to not send emails like promo after promo, and I'm going to send you another promo, and this is another product after product. It's important to send as well only valuable information to give value to your email list. And I have here all these emails, and what I need to do here is I need to add more emails to this email sequence. For example, I can go here, drag and drop this command, which is a send message, and then I can click here on create a new message, create a new email to give valuable information, or to promote another supporting offer, or to promote as well my main core offer. And then I can put another command like await, this one. Right now I have put here 300 days because I'm adding more emails to this email sequence. And that is the strategy, guys. Basically what I'm doing to make commissions, and I started to see that. Check this out. So my first commission was like $3 or $6, something like that. And then I started to make these commissions every single month. Why? Because I start like this routine of creating content every single day, because I have built this entire ecosystem to promote multiple products. I'm promoting a main core offer and my supporting offers, and because I have this system already set up, I just need to create content on my social media, on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and I have put my link of my funnel on all of those social media, in the bio of my TikTok, in the bio of my Instagram account, on my Facebook account, and also in all of my links of the description of my YouTube videos, I have put the link of my funnel. And basically I create content every single day, and some people resonate with my own story, and if they want to get access to the products that I'm promoting, because I bought these products. So this is another commission. Check this out. Here I'm promoting this software. The name is Funnel Freedom, and I have only one customer. So this is my first commission with this system. I have right now $38 in unpaid earnings, and as you can see, that it's possible to make commissions with affiliate marketing, but it takes time. So I have seen that the more content I create, so YouTube recommend my YouTube videos to more people, I reach more people. Some people put their information in my funnel, and then they access all my free trainings, and they start receiving all of my emails, and some people are buying the products from my affiliate links. But it's important for you to know that at the beginning it takes time. It takes time to like start the ball rolling. It takes time, guys. So when I started to promote Free Accelerator, so I didn't make commissions like in the first month. So it took me a while to start getting these commissions and get to momentum. Now I think that the cool thing about this business model is that if you can add like creating content to your own routine of the day, it's going to be a matter of time to start getting these commissions, because the difference between making $813 and these $62, so I'm doing the same work. So all of these months, in all of these months that I'm making these commissions, I'm doing the same work, but it's like a snowball effect. When you get to momentum, it's like just seeing more results. So that is the thing that I'm seeing with affiliate marketing. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel.